Hello everyone, hi, namaskar, adab, sat sri akal. You are watching Crime Tak English. I welcome all of you to Crime Tak family and I hope everyone part of this Crime Tak family is doing well and fine. Now, today I'm going to talk about Mehul Choksi. Mehul Choksi, a very interesting character who disappeared mysteriously, later on arrested by Dominica, and now there are reports that he is being brought to India and it may be within a day or 2 days. But there is another theory which has been floated by the lawyers of Mehul Choksi that he was kidnapped. He was kidnapped from Antigua, and this entire arrest in Dominica and the plan to bring him uh, from Dominica to India was part of a conspiracy, especially by the Indian agencies in collaboration with Antiguan agencies. I'll talk about it later. But first of all, as I keep saying, all of us are part of one family. Just a personal update, all of you knew I had shared that my mom and dad are not well, but today I'm very happy to share that they are doing fine now. The latest reports, test reports of my father indicates that the infection level has gone down significantly. Now it is in normal range, and both my mom and dad, my father and mother, both are doing fine absolutely. Now they are in recovery phase. Uh, so I want to thank all of you who prayed for my father and mother. I want to thank everyone for their blessings. I want to thank everyone who personally texted me, who texted me on social media, who called me, because at one point of time I want to confess today that even I thought that it is going to be a very difficult journey, because my father is 80 years old. He has diabetic issues, he has blood pressure issues, he has gone to an open heart surgery in 2012. So keeping all this in mind, and the negativity of people losing their life in this pandemic, at one point of time my confidence was very low, but it was the support, the messages, the calls, the prayers and the blessings. I think it has done the magic, and I, from the bottom of my heart, I want to thank all of you. Now they are doing much better. Now coming back to this story, Mehul Choksi, a person accused of bank fraud, committing bank fraud to the tune of rupees 13,000 crore along with Nirav Modi. But Mehul Choksi on 23rd of May this month, he disappeared from his residence. Around 5:15 p.m., he was last seen at his residence living in his car, and later on the reports came that he has gone missing. Later on, the reports came that Mehul Choksi has been spotted. He has been spotted in Dominica. He has been arrested by the Dominican authorities, and now efforts are on to bring Mehul Choksi back. But the lawyers of Mehul Choksi have dropped a bomb. They have dropped a bomb and they have alleged that it was not a plan of Mehul Choksi to escape from Antigua, but it was a pre-planned conspiracy by the Indian agencies and Antiguan agencies. So what exactly has happened? There is a audio conversation of Mehul Choksi's lawyer, a Dominican lawyer, and according to that lawyer, Mehul Choksi was abducted.
On the line who wants to tell us something that is very, very important. He's outside.
I want you to listen to this conversation.
Mr. Nash, good morning to you, sir.
Yes, good morning, Lofty. Can you hear me?
I'm hearing you loud and clear. Yes.
Okay, so I just wanted to bring attention that myself, along with Mr. Wayne Noddy and Cara Shillingford, acting on instructions from Mr. Justin Simon QC in Antigua, were instructed yesterday to visit his client at the cell in Dominica at the police station, Mr. Choksi.
See, so he had gone to meet Mehul Choksi at the police station in Dominica.
1:45 yesterday. We were instructed by the officer, which is one Corporal Paul, that we were not allowed to see him and that he had gotten instructions that no lawyer should see him.
He was not allowed to see
We
Mehul Choksi.
made several attempts to speak to our clients. All were denied, including speaking to the assistant commissioner. I think it's Mr. Valentine or Valerie. We were denied access to our clients. Luckily, this morning at approximately 7:30 thereabouts, I proceeded to the station and introduced myself as an attorney and requested that I be able to speak to Mr. Choksi. Having been allowed to speak to Mr. Choksi, I noticed that he was severely beaten. His eyes were swollen. He had several marks that he says were taser marks that he apparently was burnt by some electrical device. He reports to me that he was abducted from Jolly Harbor at around 5:15 yesterday afternoon. He was brought to Dominica by persons who he believes to be Indian and Antiguan police on a vessel, a sailing vessel he describes to be approximately 60 to 70 feet. Was brought to Dominica on Sunday. He remained at a location that he does not have much familiarity with. But on Monday, he was taken by the Coast Guard to the station in Roseau. Since then, he was taken there on Monday evening, and he has remained there since. Now remember, I said that both myself, Wayne Marsh, attorney, and Cara Shillingford went to the station.
So this is lawyer Wayne Marsh. He is a Dominican lawyer representing Mehul Choksi. So what he is claiming that when he went there to meet Mehul Choksi, he saw that Mehul Choksi was beaten up. He was given shock by some electrical device. His eyes were swollen, and when he tried to extract the information, he was told that Mehul Choksi was abducted by people who he think that they might be from Indian and Antiguan agencies or intelligence agencies, or you can say police. So this is what he is claiming, that he was abducted on Sunday around 5:15 p.m. by 7-8 people. Then he was taken to a vessel. He was kept in on board in sea, and later on he was taken to Dominica, where he was shown arrest. So what is the significance of this development? Now this will have a huge implication, because if there is an extradition or deportation process, the legal rights of a person is supreme. So even if the person has to extradited, or if the person has to be deported, there are people who fight for the human rights of such accused, and these are basically the allegations by lawyer of Mehul Choksi. So there is a little doubt whether it has actually happened or not, but what I am being told, that one part is confirmed, that he was arrested in Dominica. The second part, that there are efforts by the Indian agencies to deport Mehul Choksi from Dominica. And the third part is that if Mehul Choksi has to be deported in India, then there are legal frames which has to be worked out. Now there are strong messages on social media. If you go through Twitter, there are many people who are claiming that Mehul Choksi will be deported to India and he may land tonight. That is what they are claiming, but I spoke to my sources in Central Bureau of Investigation, Enforcement Directorate, and even in intelligence. What they have told me, that these reports are rumor. Mehul Choksi is not coming tonight, and still it is not clear whether he is coming to India or not. There is a press release which has been issued by the Home Ministry of Dominica, in which they have said that they are in contact, they are in communication with the Antiguan authorities, and they will be sending Mehul Choksi back to Antigua because he is their citizen. So these developments are taking place. I may be wrong. What I have been told by my sources that I am telling you, he might or might not land tonight, but my sources are telling me he is not landing tonight, at least. In coming days, whether he will land or not, even if I'll have any update, I will let you know. But about Mehul Choksi, remember that person is accused of defrauding Punjab National Bank to the tune of rupees 13,000 crore. In 2017, he committed the fraud. Later on, while he was committing the fraud, he, based on a all clear report from Mumbai police, got a citizenship of Antigua in November 2017. January 2018, he left for USA. On 29th January 2018, FIR was filed. And when Indian authorities contacted the USA authorities in June 2018 that please send Mehul Choksi back to India, the US authority said that you are late. You are a month late. He left USA in May 2018 and now he is in Antigua. And since then, there are two cases before the Antiguan court, the Antiguan authorities, which Mehul Choksi is fighting. He is fighting his extradition case. Antiguan authorities are saying that they have communicated to Dominica to, directly deport Mehul Choksi to India, but these developments, that's abduction theory, is going to play a very important role. These allegations by the lawyers of Mehul Choksi, so there are high chances that they might not be true. There are high chances, but if there are allegations, then certainly there has to be an investigation by the Antiguan authorities, by the Indian agencies. There has to be an investigation, and if at all it was an operation of the Indian intelligence agencies, then the full picture is still not out. Certainly Mehul Choksi is a wanted man. From last 3 years, our investigative agencies are trying to bring back Mehul Choksi so that he can face law of land, but he has been avoiding. He is using all his money, he is using all his power, he is using all the legalities to avoid Indian agencies and coming back to India. So whatever happens, my friends, I will update you with with the developments. But so far, Mehul Choksi, according to my knowledge, is in Dominica. He is under arrest, and there is a communication between the Dominican authorities and Indian authorities to bring Mehul Choksi back to India. And at the same time, there is a parallel conversation between the Dominican authorities and Antiguan authorities that he can be sent back to Antigua. And if he is sent back to Antigua, then he is not coming to India for at least a year or 2 years. So anyway, if you have any doubt, if you want to ask me anything, you can post it in the comment box. You can message me, and if you want me to tell any story, I'm happy to do my research and tell you that story. And thank you so much, guys, for watching, and prayers for my family. Thank you so much.